Morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today is Thursday, 10th December 2020. Our topic is decimals and percentages, chapter number 4. We are doing exercise number 4C, page number 86. Yesterday we have done question number 13 and 14, and I have given you question number 15 as homework. Today we will discuss that question number 15 again. After that you will do the remaining part. Question number 15 is change these decimal numbers into percentages. I have told you that to change a decimal number into percentage, we have to multiply and divide the number by 100. Why? Because the value of percentage sign is 1 over 100, and when we for that we have to divide a number by 100. But when we divide something with denominator, we also have to divide it with numerator as well. So we will multiply and divide the number by 100. So when we multiply 0.39 by 100, the point will shift 2 steps forward. It will become 39, then multiply by 1 over 100. So it is equal to 39% because the value of percentage sign is 1 over 100. Let's see another part. 0.6 0.6 multiply by 1 over 100 and divide by 1 over 100. You can see that when we multiply a number by 100, point shifts 2 step forward, so it will become 60. Or you can also apply the second procedure. 0.6 multiply by 100. When we remove the point, it will become 6 over 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. Now 6 into 10 is equals to 60. 60 multiplied by 1 over 100 is equals to 60%. Okay, students, part C is just like part B. Try to do it by yourself. Let's see part D. It's 0.04. Solution: 0.04 multiplied by 100 divided by 100. When you multiply 0.04 by 100, it will become 4 because point will shift 2 step forward. So it will become after 4. So 4 will be the answer. Or you can also apply the removing point procedure. By when we remove point, we will place 1, and there are two numbers after point, so we will place two zeros. 100 to 100 cancel, 4 answer. So now 4 multiplied by 1 over 100, 4% is your answer. So I have done A, B and D part. You will try to do C and D, E and F part by yourself. C part is very simple. You will multiply and divide it by 100. Now when you multiply it by 100, it will become 0.10, and then you can easily tell me the percentage. Here also when you multiply and divide it by 0.55, so it will become 55. Then 55 multiplied by 1 over 100 is equals to 55%. In F part also, when you multiply it by 100, it will become, when 2 points shifted forward, it will become 152 over multiply by 1 over 100. So 152% will be your answer. Try to do it. If you have any problem, you can ask in the comment box.